wondered how to choose the perfect fishing spot? The right location can mean the difference between a successful day of fishing and coming home empty-handed. In this video, we'll break down the process of identifying and selecting the ideal fishing location into easy-to-follow steps. We'll consider factors like the type of fish you're after, the water conditions, and how accessible the spot is. So get ready to become an expert in choosing the perfect fishing spot. Firstly, think about the fish you want to catch. Just as we humans have our favorite places to chill, so do fish. Different species gravitate towards different environments. Some prefer the tranquil depths of deep waters, while others like to stick closer to the surface. Some are fans of the rushing currents of rivers, while others are more at home in the calm of a lake. Research is your best friend here. Investigate the preferred habitats of your target species. If you're after bass, you might want to consider areas with plenty of underwater structures like rocks or fallen trees. Trout, on the other hand, are usually found in cooler, oxygen-rich waters, often near the mouth of a river. Knowing where your fish likes to hang out can drastically improve your fishing success. It's like knowing the best spots to find your friends on a Friday night. So, before you head out, make sure you know what fish you're after and where they like to hang out. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We have a wealth of knowledge to share with you, not just about fishing, but about all kinds of outdoor adventures. So if you're an outdoor enthusiast or just someone who wants to learn, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We'd love to have you on board. Let's dive back into our fishing guide. Next, let's talk about water conditions. These play a crucial role in determining fish behavior and can significantly impact your fishing experience. First up, let's discuss water temperature. Different fish thrive in different temperature ranges. For instance, trout prefer cooler waters, while bass are more comfortable in warmer conditions. Hence, knowing the water temperature can guide you in finding the right species. Next comes water clarity. Clear water usually indicates a healthy aquatic environment, attracting a variety of species. But remember, fish in clear water are more cautious and harder to catch. On the other hand, murky water may limit visibility but can make fish less wary of your bait. Lastly, consider the water current. Fish often face the current to catch food drifting downstream. So, casting your line upstream and allowing your bait to drift down naturally can increase your chances of a catch. In essence, water conditions can make or break your fishing trip, so pay close attention to them. Now let's discuss the accessibility of your fishing spot. It's crucial to choose a spot that's easy to reach and safe to fish from. Think about it. A secluded spot might sound appealing, but what if you need assistance or forget your favorite lure at home? Accessibility matters. Moreover, safety should be your top priority. No fish is worth risking your well-being. Look for stable, flat surfaces to set up your equipment, and always be aware of your surroundings. Avoid treacherous terrains and fast-moving waters, especially if you're new to the sport. And don't forget about casting room. You need enough space to cast your line without snagging it on a tree, or worse, hooking a fellow angler. A good fishing spot provides ample casting area, allowing you to reel in your catch without any hassle. Remember, a good fishing spot is not only about the fish, but also about your comfort and safety. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Identifying the right fishing spot is a blend of knowledge, intuition, and a good dose of patience. The first step in this process is to know your target species. Each type of fish has its own preferred habitat, and understanding this is essential to finding the right spot. Whether it's a bass that loves lurking in the shadows or a salmon that prefers the fast-flowing currents, knowing what your target fish likes can lead you to their ideal hangout. Next, we dove into the importance of assessing water conditions. This involves understanding the temperature, clarity, depth, and flow of the water. These factors can greatly influence not only the presence of fish, but also their behavior. Warmer waters might attract certain species, while others might prefer cooler, deeper areas. The clarity of the water can also affect how easily you can spot the fish and what kind of bait you should use. Then we explored the accessibility of the fishing spot. It's crucial to find a place that you can reach easily and safely. Whether you're on foot, in a boat, or casting from the shore, your safety and comfort should always be a priority. Remember, a remote and hard-to-reach location isn't necessarily the best one if it puts you in harm's way. Remember, the perfect fishing spot is out there waiting for you. All you need is a bit of knowledge and planning. So go out there and find your perfect fishing spot.